Good morning, guys. Bright and early in the morning here. We're going to show you what went on here last night. I got a few things that are going out. This is a frame. We've got 3 of these 63 to 66 Chevy pickups on the go. Then we had this gentleman to bring us a frame for a 64, and he had us go through it, and Chris went through it and replaced the tie rods, the coil springs, the ball joints, ran all the brake lines for the gentleman. So that's going out now. That's going out. You never have to really see that. But anyway, we got a few things on the go. We got a little Model A 2-door sedan over there that came in again for Chris. Chris actually mounted yesterday, put on the big large headlights and did some wiring issues the gentleman was having and went through all that kind of stuff. So that's what's going on there. But last night, you know, our little 63 Chevy C10, well, Jared went ahead and got all the inners of the doors painted. Now remember, guys, I was telling you don't need a booth to do this. You ask me a lot of times, a lot of guys say, hey Rick, do you have a booth at your facility? And I don't. What happened, let me get this turned around here. What happened was Herman, who used to do all my painting, just around 15 minutes away from here, he retired just under, I don't know, maybe 5-6 months ago. He retired, he's done. He let me take over his customers, and he let me take over his spray booth. So sometimes it can be a hassle, 15 minutes away if you got to drag a car over there in the rain or something. That can be a pain, you know, you got to kind of watch for a break in the weather. But anyway, he gave me his booth to use, obviously not for free, but I've taken over that end of it, taken over his customers. But we paint the whole cars there, but for inner jams and stuff like that, you don't need a booth really. And we just spray them right here in our body shop. We clean the body shop up really well, we hose the floor down, and we spray them here. So that's what went on last night. And Jared, my newer painter, who does a fabulous job. I mean, look at the shine on that. Got all our hinges and little parts hung up there. So that's what's going on. That's, whoops. And here's the inside of it. Hopefully you can see. Look at that. Get around here, you can get a better glimpse of it at the lights. This is like a charcoal gray, and it's got a really, it's got a pearl in it that makes it almost look purple in certain lights. But see, so how we did this, as you can see, we painted the interior, and then we paint all the jambs and all the doors. Now we will mount the doors on the truck, and then the cab itself will get painted. So that's where we're going. Now this guy didn't bring it in for a frame off, or else, you know, we probably would have painted the cab off the frame. He didn't bring it in for that. So obviously the roof and all that, you know, the back of the cab's got to be done when the doors are hung on it. Just a wonderful job. Looks great. Looks great. Even paint all the bolts. Those are all the bolts for the hinges, so they're all nicely painted. So that is what's going on. So we'll leave it dry up. We'll take it out of here today. We'll put it under one of the carport bays, one of the many carport bays I keep building. We'll put it under one of those. We'll leave it sit up until tomorrow. Then tomorrow Sean and I will get in here. We'll bolt the doors on. And then next week this truck will be going for paint, and you'll be able to take a look at it when it's all done. So there you go, guys. Quick little update what's going on. And the news is, the good news is we are making a new shirts. Limited edition again. I believe we're only going to print maybe 50 of them or 60 of them. They are going to be a thinner long sleeve shirt. So there you go. Okay, well, might be a week or two till they're done. We don't know exactly yet. But anyway, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching, all you guys. I really appreciate it. And it's always a good time at Old Time. And get out in the garage, build yourself something, go have some fun. Do whatever you can do, man. Every little bit counts. See you later.